Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Navigating charges with an attorney's guidance. Facing criminal charges is one of the most stressful experiences anyone can endure. Whether the allegation involves a misdemeanor or a serious felony, the consequences can ripple through every aspect of life: freedom, employment, reputation, and family stability. The justice system is complex, and without professional guidance, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, confused, or pressured into decisions that may not serve your best interests. In these moments, the importance of having an experienced attorney cannot be overstated. A skilled lawyer not only interprets the law, but also provides strategy, protection, and reassurance at every step. In Brooklyn, one firm consistently stands out for its dedication, expertise, and client-focused approach: Figueroa and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. Their team has developed a reputation for guiding clients through some of life's most difficult challenges with clarity and determination. More information about their practice can be found at askthelawyer.us or by calling 855-768-8845. The complexity of criminal charges. The criminal justice process is not designed to be simple. From arraignment to trial, every stage carries procedural rules, filing deadlines, and opportunities for negotiation or dismissal. Defendants without legal counsel often struggle to understand the charges against them, the evidence being used, or the range of potential consequences. An attorney serves as both navigator and shield in this environment. They explain charges in plain language, identify weaknesses in the prosecution's case, and ensure the defendant's rights are fully protected. Without this guidance, defendants risk entering unfair plea deals, missing chances to suppress unlawfully obtained evidence, or failing to challenge flawed testimonies. The role of an attorney in navigating charges. A strong defense attorney does more than show up in court. Their work begins the moment charges are filed, or even earlier, during investigations. The following are key ways attorneys help clients navigate charges. 1. Case assessment. Attorneys analyze the details of the case, review evidence, and outline the possible outcomes. This assessment provides clients with realistic expectations and helps shape strategy. 2. Protection of rights. From the right to remain silent to protections against unlawful searches, defendants have constitutional rights that must be upheld. An attorney ensures these rights are respected and challenges violations in court. 3. Strategic defense building. Every case is different. A defense lawyer investigates, interviews witnesses, works with experts, and develops a tailored defense to counter the prosecution's arguments. 4. Negotiation and advocacy. Attorneys frequently negotiate with prosecutors for reduced charges, lighter sentences, or alternative resolutions. Their negotiation skills can mean the difference between jail time and probation. 5. Court representation. A criminal trial involves strict procedures, evidentiary rules, and persuasive advocacy. Experienced attorneys know how to argue motions, cross-examine witnesses, and present cases effectively to judges and juries. 6. Emotional guidance. Beyond legal expertise, attorneys provide reassurance. They help clients make informed choices under pressure and remind them they are not alone in the process. Common challenges defendants face without legal counsel. Without an attorney, navigating charges can feel like entering a storm without a compass. Defendants often face confusion about charges. Legal jargon makes it difficult to fully grasp the accusations. Pressure from prosecutors. Without legal knowledge, defendants may feel coerced into plea deals. Lack of evidence analysis. Critical flaws in the prosecution's case may go unnoticed. Severe sentencing outcomes. Judges are less sympathetic to unrepresented defendants, leading to harsher penalties. These challenges highlight why professional guidance is not just valuable, it's essential. Why Figueroa and Associates? With so many law firms across New York, choosing the right attorney may feel daunting. What sets Figueroa and Associates apart is their combination of deep expertise, client-centered service, and proven results in experience across a range of charges. Figueroa and Associates has represented clients facing everything from misdemeanors to serious felony charges. Their attorneys understand the nuances of New York law and bring decades of combined courtroom experience to every case. 2. A reputation for aggressive defense. The attorneys at Figueroa and Associates are known for their tenacity. They challenge evidence rigorously, question procedures, and hold prosecutors accountable to the highest standards. Their commitment ensures that clients receive the strongest defense possible. 3. Client-focused representation. At Figueroa and Associates, clients are not just case numbers. The firm prioritizes open communication, listening carefully to concerns, and keeping clients informed at every stage of the process. This personalized approach reduces anxiety and builds trust. 4. Strategic negotiation skills. The ability to negotiate effectively is one of the most important aspects of criminal defense. The firm's attorneys bring strong negotiation skills that often result in reduced charges, alternative sentencing, or favorable plea agreements. 5. Accessible location and services. Conveniently located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, NY 11242, the firm is easily accessible to residents of Brooklyn and the surrounding boroughs. In addition, the website AskTheLawyer.us offers valuable resources for those seeking legal guidance. Real-world scenarios. How attorneys make a difference. To understand the importance of professional guidance, consider a few hypothetical scenarios. The unlawful search. A defendant is charged with drug possession after police search their vehicle without probable cause. Without legal counsel, they may assume the evidence is admissible. An experienced attorney, however, could challenge the search and have the evidence suppressed, potentially leading to a dismissal. The coerced plea deal. A young defendant, facing overwhelming pressure, considers pleading guilty to a felony to get it over with. A defense lawyer would assess whether the prosecution's evidence truly supports the charge, negotiate alternatives, and prevent life-altering consequences from a rushed decision. The overlooked evidence. In an assault case, surveillance footage exists that supports the defendant's account. Without an attorney, the evidence may remain buried. With professional guidance, it becomes a central piece of the defense. These examples demonstrate how attorneys can dramatically change outcomes by navigating complexities the average person cannot. The broader impact of effective legal defense. Strong legal defense doesn't just protect individuals, it strengthens the justice system itself. When attorneys challenge unlawful procedures, highlight bias, or expose weak evidence, they hold the system accountable. This ensures fairness not only for one client, but for society as a whole. In Brooklyn and across New York, firms like Figueroa and Associates play a vital role in maintaining this balance. Their work protects individual rights while reinforcing the principle that justice must be applied equally, regardless of background or circumstance. Conclusion. Navigating criminal charges is one of the most daunting challenges a person can face. The stakes are high, the system is complex, and the consequences can last a lifetime. Attempting to face this process without professional guidance often leads to confusion, poor decisions, and harsher outcomes. A strong attorney provides clarity, protection, and advocacy at every step. Among the many firms available, Figueroa and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, stands out for its depth of experience, commitment to clients, and reputation for aggressive and effective defense. With accessible resources at AskTheLawyer.us and the ability to connect directly at 855 768-8845, they have become a trusted choice for those in need of legal representation. In the end, navigating charges successfully is about more than just legal technicalities. It's about safeguarding futures, protecting rights, and ensuring fairness. With the right attorney, the storm of uncertainty becomes manageable. And in Brooklyn, that attorney is Figaro and Associates.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.